I got something you're really gonna enjoy coming up next. You don't want to miss this. Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. Very appreciative of you guys. If you need to go below and subscribe, anything Android. Yes, anything Android. We're reviewing everything from Android devices to Fire Sticks, anything that has to do with Android. Go below in the description below, click on the channel, go subscribe. I want you guys to check out that channel. Express One, what am I talking about? You're gonna know what I'm talking about in a second. Guys, I play poker, so why am I saying this? Well, we don't want to hear about your poker playing. Yes, you do. I'm gonna explain to you why. Have you ever been somewhere where your phone, for example, I got my phone right here, your phone dies out and you're like, wow, what am I gonna do? I know this happens to a lot of you. It happens to me all the time. I have a special backpack when I travel. I plug it in the back and there's a cable that comes out and then I charge my phones. Well, this power bank, Express One, it does a job, but not only that, it's wireless. Sometimes you forget your cable, right? Let me show you. You got your power button here, you got your C-type, you got 3 USBs, you can record your laptop, your tablet, your cell phones, you name it, you got it, you can do it. You got your other port right here. Okay, you got the back, you got your screen, digital screen here. You can't see it till it turns on, okay? It's a fingerprint magnet until you turn it on just like that, okay? Then you lay it here, grab your phone. All right, why do I like it? Simple reason, I can charge this wirelessly here. Most of them, you have to go and charge with a cable. Here's your USB port, charge your laptops, you can charge your phones, your tablets, you name it, you can charge it. But the best key, put it on just like this, and I have a case on it, okay? So I'm putting it on right here, and voila, it's charging, just like that. This phone, obviously, you can charge it many ways, but that's a different story. So you got your percentages up here. So you've seen it, I'm gonna put it in the description below where you can get it. Actually, I wasn't sponsored, and they usually sponsor me. I have some that I've been sponsored by. I really wanted one that I can put on top wirelessly because you forget your cable, and it's very convenient. Obviously, you know that it has the reading on top. It's a go for me, I think. If you think of a better one, good comment below. Remember, to win and to be eligible for all the prizes, you have to comment and subscribe. Appreciate you guys like always. You know what we do here, guys. Peace and